everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I will be doing an episode. I'll be teaching you viewers how to bleach hair into blonde and also how to make a wig and dye your hair into the perfect red color. Today's video will be a talk through video. I will go step by step showing you viewers how I basically dyed this hair into blonde and how I made a wig and achieved the perfect red color. A lot of you viewers might say, what is the perfect red color? The perfect red color for me is not too much on the bright fiery red, but much more on the burgundy toned red, so you can actually go out and feel comfortable enough to walk around without thinking people are staring at you. On this wig you can see 2 or 3 different shades of reds. The ends are darker, the middle is bright but not too bright, and the top is actually natural black. So I'll be teaching you viewers step by step of how to achieve the perfect toned red, the correct dye to use, the bleach, everything in this video. So if you are interested, stay tuned. And also I wanted to say this hair is Vietnamese hair. This is our Vietnamese wavy hair. This hair is definitely beautiful and soft. I do have a coupon code for you viewers. If you are interested, check the website www.therawvirginhairboutique.com for 20% off your entire purchase. So stay tuned for the video tutorial. So viewers, in this video I will be bleaching my 7x7 lace closure with True Zone or True Light peroxide, which is 40% volume, and bleach powder. There are 2 types of bleach powder, and in this case I will be using the white bleach powder. And now I'll be washing the bleach off my bundles and also tone the color with a purple conditioner instead of a purple shampoo. So this hair, as you can see right now, is being conditioned with purple conditioner. I bought this conditioner on Amazon. Just type in purple conditioner. So right now all you can see is my dome cap, and I will be making my 7x7 closure wig, and I'll be sewing my closure onto my wig cap first, then afterwards sew my bundles. As you can see, this video is being fast forwarded, so I am doing a voiceover. Now the closure is almost sewn down. Next step is to basically sew the bundles track by track. I usually double my work when making wig because I like to use at least 4 to 5 bundles because I do wear really long hair extensions like 26 and 28 inches. So as you can see, my wig is almost done, and now voila, the wig is completed. So I do have this honey blonde going on, and I will be basically curling my wig with my one barrel curler. And because that day I had a wedding to go to, so I wore the wig to the wedding. Then the next day I decided to basically soak my wig in water. As you all can see right now, the hair is being soaked into water because the dye actually takes well to the hair when the hair is damp and not dry. So at this point I'll be using Adore semi-permanent hair dye, racing red, intense red, cherry red, and crimson red. Racing red, intense red, cherry red, and crimson red. 4 bottles in total. I will basically put all the dye in a glass bowl, then mix it together, then after apply it onto my damp wig. Viewers, please note this, I applied it onto my damp wig because the dye gets saturated onto the hair properly when the wig is damp and not dry. At this point, as you can see, I'm really applying the red dye onto my wig, making sure it goes everywhere, so once I wash it there is no blonde hairs showing. So as you can see, now it's time to wash the hair. So at this point I did soak the dye onto the hair for 24 hours, which is overnight. Then the next day I decided to wash my wig in the bath just to make sure that I don't make a mess around. So the wig is being washed and soaked in water. As you can see, strawberry looking water right there, that is the bath, and the shower is in, and I am definitely washing the red dye off my wig, and afterwards you will see what happens. Now I do apply my Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. I really love Tresemme. It really makes hair really soft. Now I am shampooing my hair, applying more shampoo onto my wig and washing the shampoo out. I first of all wash the hair color out of the hair first before applying the shampoo. So now, as you can see, I'm washing off the shampoo of my wig. And now I will be using my Tresemme conditioner, applying it onto my wig. Then I'll also be using my silicone mix conditioner, which helps to revive damaged hair. Silicone mix deep intense conditioner for basically repairing damaged, dry, brittle hair. So guys, at this point I will be removing my curls and brushing it. I basically curled my hair with a 1-barrel curling iron, and I clipped on with clippers to make sure it cools down, and this basically makes you achieve a beautiful bouncy curls. As you can see, I'm removing all the clips. Then afterwards I will be combing it through, and I want to tell you viewers that this helps to give a really bouncy, voluminous, beautiful curl. Then afterwards I will be applying this onto my wig cap. And guys, I want to share this with you. I do not apply any sort of got to be glue or got to be spray. Try and stay away from it, because I've had my fair share of my edges being lost. So afterwards I will be showing you the end results. Hope you viewers did enjoy this video. See you viewers soon.